Sorry guys, evidently my video just cut off. I don't know what happened with my YouTube app just crashed when I was solving that problem. So if you didn't see the end of it, y equals 1 in that first system. This video will be short because I was going to wrap up this last problem for you guys. So for a system, we were working on elimination. If I want to do elimination for the next system, notice it's a little bit different in the setup. We're not really in the setup, but in the method we have to do now. This is still appropriate to use elimination because none of the variables have a 1 as a coefficient. But unlike our first examples, our variables don't like match up for an easy cancellation. Variables can cancel when their coefficients are opposites. So like the y was canceled out because we had -3 plus +3, which resulted in 0y. 0 times anything is 0. That's why we get the eliminator cross it off. Now, in this next equation, none of my variables match up off the bat. Meaning I'm going to have to multiply. Sometimes you have to multiply one equation. Sometimes you got to multiply both equations. In this example, we're going to multiply both equations. Doesn't matter which variable I choose to eliminate. I could try to eliminate these y's or these x's. Honestly, doesn't really matter. It will change a little bit what we multiply by, but the methodology will be exactly the same. I'm going to go for, since we crossed out the y's the first time, I'll cross out these x's to start. I'm going to need to multiply. I'm going to multiply this top equation by 3. And this bottom equation by -2. Now, the reason why we're doing that is in my head, I already picked out the least common multiple of what I want the x coefficient to be. So my first equation will be rewritten as this. Remember, everything got multiplied by that 3. My second equation will get rewritten like this. Again, everything got crossed out. Alright, now to continue with this problem, now I can add these together. I can add these together because 6 plus -6 will cancel each other out. And that's what we wanted to happen. Then in my next line, I have -18 minus 10y. I get -28y equals 28. Therefore, y must equal -1. Just by dividing both sides by -28. Once I know that y is equal to -1, I'm going to take this. I'm going to substitute back into the original equation, not this multiplied version. Typically, that's just an easy strategy because now it would have to deal with bigger coefficients. Go back to basics. Go back to the original. So we can do, I don't know, let's say that first equation, 2x minus 6 times -1 equals 8. And solving this equation, 2x plus 6 equals 8. We'll put yada, 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 or that means you guys can figure it out on your own, but we would end up with x equals let's put -1, x equals 1. Alright, that's just a scribble. X equals 1. Alright, so that's how we solve our system of equations. Use this video, these notes, as well as any other resources you might have available to you to complete these on your own, the homework on your own. Please, guys, reach out to me if you guys have any thoughts or questions, concerns. A couple of you guys do it on a somewhat regular basis. Some of you guys, I don't want to see you guys just turning in papers with like a bunch of question marks on them. Reach out to me, right? Email me, comment. I've been able to jump on Zoom with some of the students. We can do that, and it'll almost be like me talking to you at your desk when you're going through your homework. So let me know if you guys need any help, and I'm available pretty much all day. Right? Quarantine life. I'm not going anywhere. All right. Have a great time, guys.